Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to record your computer or laptop screen without having any screen recorder or any external app. You can use only simple app that comes with Windows 10. No third-party software is required. It is simple in use and mostly used for basic video capture, and if you want you can record audio also. So with this software, you can record your computer screen and easily share with anyone. So how do you record your computer screen? So to record your screen, first open the application which you want to record. I am going to record my browser. So for recording, press the Window key plus G in your beautiful keyboard. You will get the above options. Now first go to Setting. Then go to Down and change the audio to all. If you want to record the audio also, then click here or press Window plus Alt plus M. If you want to record only screen, then click here or Window plus Alt plus G. Our screen is being recorded. So if you want to hide the options, then click anywhere in the screen and they will be hidden. So let's go and do some work on the screen for recording. Now if you want to stop recording, click here, and if you want to see the recording then click here. Or if you want to open file then it will be in capture of your videos. So this is how you can record your screen using the build tool in your Windows. But it has some limitations like you cannot record your desktop or file explorer. No webcam recording. This software does not support webcam recording. If you want to include your face in the video, you'll need to use a separate webcam recording tool and then combine it with the screen recording.